So in my previous video I called this a breadboard. Yeah, it has another project in it, don't mind it too much. But there were some people who were disappointed that I said that it wasn't made out of bread. Well, for those people I have a solution here. There! It's the Bread Breadboard! Made out of whole wheat bread? What else can you want? Now why don't you build a little circuit in it to show that it actually works? Now we get the Arduino. And voila! It's a breadboard made out of bread. Thanks for watching.